Windy conditions can cause some unique situations. Check out the video from Fort Erie, Ontario, where winds have been so strong there, they were blowing up chunks of ice. You can see thousands of pounds of ice being pushed over a retaining wall there. Meteorologist Jacob Wycoff joining us now. And Jacob, there's actually some interesting science behind all that.
Yeah, so obviously you need two things. You need ice on a lake and you need very strong wind. And when that very strong wind hits the lake, it literally pushes the ice on shore. And Lake Erie, almost completely frozen over. You get that westerly wind. So on the eastern side of Lake Erie, near the Buffalo area, that's where we got those ice shoves. This happens every once in a while, and it's a lot easier to get that on Lake Erie because it's so shallow and freezes over so easily. On the other side, Lake Ontario, we get this lakeshore flooding. Once again, the wind pushing all that water right along the eastern shore of the lake. So we get a lot of lakeshore flooding in those areas. A little bit harder for Lake Ontario to freeze over because it's deeper. They actually have a blizzard warning in effect in the Tug Hill Plateau, where they're going to be dealing with another additional foot of snow and winds gusting 60 to 70 miles per hour. The reason for this, our storm, our cyclone has really bombed out. It's really strengthened as it's going to our north. And when we have these pressure gradients in place, these lines of equal pressure, these isobars are really tightly packed. That's when we start to see some really gusty conditions. Now these start to relax as we go into tonight. Again, look at that Springfield Skycam. Beautiful shot, but you can tell how strong those winds are because of how much it's shaking currently. Now we do